Look at that. Getting all of... Hello everyone, good morning. Time check right now, it's already 9 a.m. The sun is out, so I'm happy. Anyway, I am not alone today finally because, oh my gosh, it's so hot. Papa is actually here. Ta-da! Papa is there, guys. Look, there he is, working again. Every time he comes here in the house, he would always look for something that he could work on. So that's what he does. Pa, hi kuno.
Hi.
Okay, so what he's trying to do is he's getting all of the remaining sand that we had from the rebuild of the province house. There's still actually so much that you could find in that area because that's where we dump all of the fine sand and the sand and gravel. So he's just trying to get everything because we are going to put it right here in this area. He already got a few right here. Actually, yesterday I woke up super early. Well, Scarlett and the fam slept here. She actually woke me up because I told my sister, I asked for their help to clean the garage. Or I know a lot of you guys said it's actually not a garage because it's not in the house. Carport, I would say. Okay, yeah, so I was not able to show you how it looked before, but I'll show you how does it look now. It's very clean and I love it. So here it is. Here is how the carport looks like now. Well, this one, I'll have to remove this one. The reason why it's there still because we put the jalousie window that I had before, which you can see right here. So before I had jalousie window, right? So these are the jalousie window. And I'm actually giving it to my mom and my sister. So this one that you can see now, these are for my sister. And then my mom, she got some of it already. And then here, I just put all of the old curtains that I have. The old door is right here as well. And then on the other side, let's go there on the other side, guys. Okay, we have here the motorbike. And then this is how it looks. Look at that. Look at that. And then I know here it's kind of messy still, but my sister is gonna get all of these. She's just waiting for the truck to help them carry this one to their house. I'm quite happy that the garage finally I could fit the motorbike because before we were having a hard time trying to put the motorbike here inside, and you have to put the motorbike under a shade so that it doesn't get rained on, and the harsh sun that we have here in the Philippines as well is not good. So Papa has been working in the sun outside. It's super hot today. I am going to cook lunch for us both, and I have been craving for tortang talong. This is actually one of my favorite Filipino dish. So I have here eggplant, so I got 2, tomatoes, onion, and garlic. I also have eggs. So I'm gonna try to grill the eggplant outside. And then, yeah, we're gonna do it outside because I'm also gonna do a TikTok video about it. So if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, it's at meljeansolon #8 with number 8, okay? So you can see the full recipe. Right, we are now grilling the eggplant outside, and since we actually don't have a griller, we're doing a DIY. We basically use some like wood that will serve as a griller. So this is how it looks, guys. Ta-da! Look at that. We're gonna wait for the eggplant to be done, and then we'll proceed with the next step. So finally, I was able to finish cooking tortang talong, my favorite. It looks really yummy. Ta-da! It actually looks really nice, and they're so big. I'm gonna put some chili on top. Obviously, I was not able to share with you guys the entire recipe and how I did it because I was super busy preparing everything, and I had to ask Papa to stay still and hold my phone. He was my videographer. So yeah, here it is. And again, you guys can watch this on TikTok, and maybe I will also share it to you guys here on YouTube via YouTube Shorts, since I actually film it using my phone, so it's gonna be vertical. Let me know if you guys would want that. Yeah, right now Papa is outside. We are going to have lunch soon. He's still doing the sand. So let's eat lunch. Bon appetit. I have here tortang talong. I decided to make some sauce. This is soy sauce, vinegar, tomato, and some chili, of course. And I have here buwad. These are all my favorite. My comfort food, I would say. Guys, let's eat. Bon appetit. Thank you, Lord. Papa is actually here in front of me eating as well. Let's see, let's try. Ah, that is so good. Wow. So yummy. By the way, it's so funny because I read a comment wherein, why am I eating bare hands? Why am I using my hands to eat? Do I not have any utensils like a spoon and fork? Guys, if you guys don't know, if you haven't been to the Philippines, eating with our hands is customary. Like, we're so used to it, especially if we're gonna do like poodle fight, and it's actually really good. I mean, the food tastes much better if you use your hands to eat. Try it out. But yeah, this tortang talong is so good. And buwad as well. Yeah. So I am here in the terrace, and I decided to put my sister's bouquet of roses from her birthday the other day into the vase. So this vase is really pretty. Actually, Lynn, if you guys can remember her, she gave this to me on my birthday. I think that was last year. So this is how it looks. Ta-da! I'm not in no way good in arranging flowers, but I think I did okay. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I think she looks so pretty. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on the dining table. We're going to check out how Papa did here on the outside. He actually went to my grandma's house already, and he said he's just gonna come back here tomorrow. So yeah, let me show you the progress that he was able to do. So actually before, it was just here on this area. This is what we did last time, if you guys can remember. And what he did is this one right here. So it's a bit thicker than what we did last time, so that's good. We actually spread it here near the gate, so that's how it looks. And then it goes all the way over there. Ta-da! last year. I already had a trauma about rain. Oh my gosh. It also has really strong wind. You guys have seen the previous footage, I think. Like the leaves are swinging, the trees. Gosh, I really hate rain nowadays. And it's been raining like here in the Philippines because of the typhoon. I hope that it will be gone soon. But yeah, I'll show you how does it look outside. It's really like zero visibility. Like you cannot see the mountains anymore. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look. Look at that. It's like zero visibility. Look how wide it is. You cannot see the mountains anymore. Oh my goodness. Please just stop. I think it's stopping. Yeah. I think it is. Hopefully. Please just stop. I had this trauma since from before. And normally I would check the house, especially the ceiling, if there's a leak that I could see, because that's where it all started. It leaked in my room and then the ceiling just collapsed on me. I would always just check everything. The bedroom, the toilet. Yeah. So yeah, there's no leak so far.